Yo guys, what is up? It is Ryan Sneaks back with another video. Today's video is something a little bit different. I ordered this online and I figured I would do a unboxing and first impressions of this because I watched a lot of YouTube videos when deciding if this was something I really even wanted to pick up. I've been getting a lot of ads on Instagram for them. I also been getting like a lot of recommended videos for them and stuff like that. So I figured, might as well check it out. It really couldn't hurt, and I've been wanting something like this for a while. So what's in here is, I'm sure you can tell by the title, it is from Jaxxon, which is a jewelry company, and what they carry is like gold chains, like their big thing. They have, solid gold, and then they have sterling silver coated in gold. Now for me, I've never had a gold chain and I've never really worn jewelry or anything like that, so I didn't want to go all out and buy just a solid gold chain because I don't even know if I'm going to really wear this. Like, I don't even know if I'm going to like the way this looks on me or anything like that. This here right now, if I'm looking on their website, is $139 because it's 22% off for Valentine's Day. I got what they recommended on here as the most popular. It is a Cuban link 5mm in a 22. So yeah, let's go ahead and open this up. It just came in this all black package. All right, so when you open up the package here, let me put this to the side. Looks like you get a little envelope, a ring sizer, so I guess if you want to get a ring later on, and a box. So inside this envelope here, let's see what we got. We got a cleaning cloth. We got, we got a 15% off coupon for next time. What is this? Oh, I guess if you want to give 40, you get 40. And a certificate of authenticity. It looks a little bit different than what they used to have from the videos I saw. It looks now that it's kind of just like a mass-produced printed certificate now. Just says Jaxxon on the other side. But the main thing we're all here for is, of course, the chain. So let's go ahead, and it looks like you slide that off. It says Jaxxon again. And let's just go ahead and open it right here. There you go. All right, so like first impressions, the box is actually really nice that it comes in. It kind of has like that magnetic closure. And then it is velvet type material kind of going up and down. So Jaxxon on top. Let's go ahead and pull it out. See, I'm not 100% sure what you really need to look for on a Cuban link. Like I said, I don't even have a chain that I wear now. I just wanted to get something to see how it would look. So yeah, it looks pretty good to me. I don't really know anything about jewelry or chains or gold or anything like that. Like I said, I just wanted to pick this up because I wanted a gold chain and I didn't want to spend all the money for a solid gold chain if I didn't even know if I was gonna like it or not. But for this, it was $139. I think after taxes, it was free shipping, I want to say, or yeah, it was free shipping. So it was like 150 bucks total. It feels pretty good. It's actually kind of heavy. Taking a look here, it does say 925 Italy. I don't know if you'll be able to pick that up, but this is sterling silver plated with gold. And under the material here, it says that they're gold bonded chains, and it's 925 sterling silver coated 3 times in 14 karat gold. So I don't really know the difference between coating, bonding, plating, all that kind of stuff. All I know is it's a sterling silver chain, pretty much, with gold on top of that. So I think it looks pretty good. This is what the clasp is looking like on here. I know a lot of people were complaining about the clasp on videos that I saw when I was thinking about picking one up. I don't really care. Like I said, I don't have any necklaces or chains or anything like that to where I can be nitpicky about it. They do have this in a few different sizes. So they do have it in a 20, 22, 24, and 26. 20 being the short and 22 saying it's the most popular. So I just went with that recommendation. So this is the 22. I think it looks fine. It's also the 5mm chain. They had a few different sizes on there and stuff like that. But I don't know. I just went with what was most popular on there because I wanted to, kind of see what that would look like. But yeah, I'm checking it out on the monitor right now. And I think it looks good. Like I said, I'm not looking to spend all that money on it. They do sell actual, 100% gold chains on Jaxxon. They're just a lot more expensive. And for this being about 150 bucks and something for me to just try to see if I'll even wear this, because I don't even know if I'm going to wear it as much. It might just be something that I wear every now and then, and it really wouldn't be worth it in the long run for me to get something that's pure gold instead of getting something like this. So I think the 150 price point is pretty fair. I've seen a lot of other places where they don't use sterling silver as a base. They use like copper or something like that, and it's supposed to be not as good. I don't really know the difference between it. But with this place, I've seen a lot of people follow it. I see that it has a pretty good reputation. There's a lot of videos on it. So I just wanted to give this one a shot. But yeah, like for 150 bucks, I'm pretty happy with it. I think it looks good. Like I said, I don't have any other gold chain or anything to compare it to, but I think it looks pretty good. And 150 bucks, you really can't go wrong. But if you guys want, I can do an updated video on this, you know, a few months down the road to let you know how it wears and stuff like that. Because that's, I know, one of the big things, like if you get something that's plated or coated or anything like that, it can rub off if you're pretty abusive towards it. But like, I'm probably not going to wear this too much, probably just like when I go to work or if I'm out doing something. I'm not going to wear it in the shower or anything like that, just to try to preserve it for as long as I can. And who knows, I might not even like the way it looks or feels, so I might not even wear it. But yeah, like to get it for 150 bucks, I think it's really worth it because you can kind of test it out to see if it's something you would like. And then if you want to, you know, go and buy a solid gold chain, then you can, you know, you'll like it. Yeah, but that's it. I just wanted to do a quick video just kind of showing you guys what I picked up. And like I said, if you guys want me to do an updated video on it, I can. But I saw a lot of videos online of people, you know, getting these in and stuff like that. So I figured I would do a video too, just to get one out. But I mean, overall, I can say I'm pretty pleased and I'm satisfied, you know, with the 150 that I spent so far. We'll see in the long run if it holds up. Hey, but that is it. Thank you guys again for watching. Don't forget to hit that like, comment, and subscribe button. I'll catch you guys next time.